Hello guys, how you doing? Well, this is unit number 3, staying in hotels. A very important unit for you guys as hotel and tourism students. And the communication goals for the first class is leave and take messages. So this is the first part of unit number 3. Let's begin. Preview. In here we have a vocabulary of different types of room. As you can see, we have a smoking, no smoking, single, double, suite, twin, queen size, king size, rollaway bed. And here is choose hotel services and facilities. Facilities, for example, free airport shuttle, wireless internet service, pool and sauna, in-room minibar, 24-room service, 24 hours, gift shop, business center, laundry service, shoe shine service, fitness exercise center, wake up service, bell of luggage service. So the ones in blue color are hotel services and facilities. Now here is a vocabulary.
Read and listen. 1,
A single room,
2,
A double room,
3,
a suite,
4,
a smoking room,
5,
a non-smoking room,
6,
a twin bed,
7,
a queen-size bed,
8,
a king-size bed,
9.
a rollaway bed,
Now listen again and
You
repeat.
have to repeat it again because you can watch the video as many times as you want. Now we go to a photo history. So this is what happened when you are checking out of a hotel. Now this is a conversation between someone in the front desk, the receptionist, and a guest leaving the hotel. So listen to the conversation.
Read and listen to someone checking out of a hotel.
Good morning. I'm checking out of room 604.
I'll be happy to help you with that. Was your stay satisfactory?
Yes, very nice, thanks.
Did you have anything from the minibar last night?
Just a bottle of water.
Okay, let me add that to your bill. And would you like to put this on your Vista card?
Yes, I would, please. By the way, I need to go to the airport.
Certainly. If you're in a hurry, I'll call you a taxi. But if you'd rather take the free airport shuttle, there's one leaving in 20 minutes.
Great, I'll take the shuttle. Why pay for a taxi? And that'll give me time to pick up a few things at the gift shop before I leave.
No problem. I'll ask the bellman to give you a hand with your luggage. He'll let you know when the shuttle's here.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip, and we hope to see you again.
Good. So now you have to practice these conversations in groups. And here is focus on language, words that are highlighted and have to be related with pay with, help, living, okay, don't have much time. Now, also explain why each statement is false using information from the photo history. The guest is staying for a few days. Is it true or is it false? The guest has complaints about the hotel. True or false? The guest pays with the bill in cash. True or false? The shuttle is arriving in an hour. Now here is match each picture with a hotel service from the list. So you have 1 to 7, and here you have different hotel services.
Listen and repeat.
airport shuttle,
Bell service,
laundry service,
Minibar.
Room service.
Shoe shine service.
Wake up service.
Good. So now we go to the next page. And the next page is a conversation in which someone leaves a message and someone takes a message. And this is going to be for you to practice too. Read and listen to someone leaving a message.
Read and listen to someone leaving a message.
Hello? I'd like to speak to Ann Smith. She's a guest.
I'll ring that room for you. I'm sorry. She's not answering. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes. Please tell her Tim Klein called. I'll meet her at the hotel at 3 this afternoon.
Is that all?
Yes, thanks.
Okay, good. As you can see, I'll ring that room for you. I'm using I will. And here is I'll meet her at the hotel at 3 this afternoon. Also, we are using will. So this is basically the grammar, and which is the future with will. Now, you can use will or won't or will not, plus a base form to talk about the future. What I mean base form is you don't need to. Will to, no. You say, I will call back tomorrow. Or in the negative form, we won't be at the hotel this afternoon. Now, contraction, will, I'll, will not, I won't. Now, remember this, when we are talking about the future, we talk about the future in different ways too. In here, for example, we use, remember this, you can also talk about the future with be going to. For example, when I say, I'm going to buy a house next week. See? You can also use present continuous. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going to Cartagena next week. And we also have future with simple present tense. When I say, she arrives tomorrow. She comes next week. Maria comes next week. I can use, with some verbs, I can use future in simple present. And these are some examples of questions. With will, yes or no questions. Will she meet us at the restaurant? Yes, she will. No, she won't. Will they take a taxi to the hotel? Yes, they will. No, they won't. Now remember, will is used for every subject, every person, every noun. Now, these are WH questions. When, what, where, who, etc. So, I will be checking on this grammar. This is an exercise to complete in class. And then we have a listening exercise. This listening exercise, you are going to listen once here.
Listen to the phone messages. Conversation 1.
Hi, can I speak with Judy Diller, please?
Judy
You
Diller.
bet. Who shall I say is calling?
Mark Pearl.
Mr. Pearl.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm sorry, Mr. Pearl. She stepped out. Can I take a message?
Sure. Please tell her I called. I'll be at the Savoy Hotel for the next 2 days. I'd like her to call me back.
You got it. Could you spell your last name for me?
Of course. Pearl.
Pearl. So, what is the message? That's what you have to write here. So, the next one also, the name, the call is for handpicked. From who? Mr., Mrs., Miss, what message it is here and what the message exactly is. So that is in number 2, number 3, and number 4. So let's play the audio.
Conversation 2.
Hello, I'd like to speak to a guest named Hank Pitt.
I'll ring him up for you. I'm sorry, there's no answer. Would you like to call back later?
Actually, I'd like to leave a message. Please tell him Vicky Denkus called. I'll be at 444-0987 till 6 o'clock. He can call me at that number.
That's D-E-N...
D-E-N-K-U-S.
I'll give him your message, Miss Denkus.
Conversation 3.
Hi, this is Carol Braun calling. Is Colin Mack in?
No, he isn't, ma'am. He's out of the country till next week.
Oh, well, can you give him a message for me?
Of course.
Please tell him Carol Braun called. That's B-R-A-U-N, and I'll call him again next week.
Very good.
Conversation 4.
Hello. I'd like to speak with Patricia Carlton in room 1408.
One moment, please. Sorry, sir. There's no answer at that extension. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. This is Sam Hill calling. H-I-L-L. I'll definitely be at the meeting at 3, so I'll see her then.
I'll see that she gets your message.
Now listen again.
No listen again because it will take too much time. So remember, I'll do this exercise in class. Now, this is pronunciations, contractions with will. I'll, she'll, he'll, will, you'll, they'll. And here, this is a conversation you have to practice with your friend, and we can watch this conversation here using the same model, leaving and taking and leaving a message.
Let's change the conversation model.
Hello, I'd like to speak to Martin Vaccaro. He's a guest.
I'll ring that room for you. I'm sorry, he's not answering. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please tell him Lorna Nader called. I'll call him back tonight at 6.
Is that all?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Now let's change the conversation model again. Don't stop. Leave another message. Confirm that you've understood the message correctly. Ask for more information. Say as much as you can.
Good morning. I'd like to speak to Tina James. She's a guest.
Is that James?
That's right.
I'll ring that room for you. I'm sorry, she's not answering. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, thank you. Please tell her Tom Byrne called.
Excuse me, how do you spell your last name?
Sure. It's B as in Brazil, Y as in yes, R as in Russia, N as in New York, E as in English.
Thank you. Is that all?
Actually, no. Please tell her I'll meet her at the Lennox restaurant at 5 o'clock.
The Lennox restaurant, 5 o'clock. Do you have the address?
Oh, of course. It's at 25 King Street.
25 King.
Oh, and please tell her I'll bring the report. She'll understand.
You'll bring the report.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Have a good day.
Thanks. Bye.
Well, guys, this is basically what we are going to see on Monday's class. Oh, this is unit number 3, first part. Thank you very much. I hope you watch the video and practice the exercises. This is especially for the ones who don't have the material yet. Bye.